So guys, as you know, we are going to start by a new lesson today. And this lesson, of course, it's related to the multiplication table. If you study the multiplication table, you are going to find everything easy. But if you still have problems in multiplication table, I advise you to start from today. From today, you have to revise the multiplication table, because I'm not going, for example, to tell you what's 5 times 2. No, I'm going to ask you what's 10 divided by 2. So our lesson for today, it's about division. We are going to take what's the meaning of division, and we are going to study that division. Okay, so please, I advise you all to start revising the multiplication table. Okay, so for example, if I who can answer all my multiplication questions right now, if I asked you, who's pretty sure that he study all the multiplication table?
I'm pretty sure.
Ali?
Ali Fawaz.
Yalla Ali. For example, Ali, what's 9 times 6?
54.
Very good. What's 7 times 9?
63.
Excellent, Ali. Who wants?
Me.
Amir?
Yes.
Yalla, Amir. What's 6 times 7?
42.
What's 9 times 4?
36.
Excellent. Who else? Who else? Oh my God. I think guys, today you should start revising the multiplication table, please. Okay, so to this lecture, I'm going just to explain what we are going to have in our new lesson, but tomorrow I think I have you, or after tomorrow, I need to decide for you. Please, this is very important. Okay, do you give a promise?
We promise. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, we
So,
promise.
great. So let us start by our new lesson.
I already know them, بس ما بحب أحكي قدام حدا.
No, Nancy, you have to just pretend that you are in class. Okay, Nancy? Yeah. So, and I'm going to start.
Miss?
Yes, dear.
And why do I hear a printer in your background noise?
Printer?
Yeah.
بس استحيت ما لسه بعيد. يوسف بيصبح عليك بس. Good morning.
Hi, Yusuf. Hi, how are you?
أنا أمه ليوسف عم تابع مع تالي حتى أعرف شو راجع لها.
هاي حبيبتي، كيفك؟ يلا منيح. هلا حنبلش نحن something new، يعني هلا فيها تبلش معنا عادي.
بس هي الابلكيشن لازم ندرسها إياهم صح؟
ايه لازم الكل، هي التالية وكل رفقاتها كمان لازم يحفظوا multiplication منيح، لأنه هلا بس نبلش division. إذا ما كانوا حافظين multiplication حيلاقوا شوي صعوبة، يعني حيكونوا أبطأ من غيرهم.
لا إن شاء الله بضل نتابع معها لتحفظ.
تمام تمام. يلا خلينا نكمل.
نتابع معها حتى أعرف شو درسها.
ما مشكل، بالعكس أكيد حبيبتي أكيد.
ثانك يو حبيبة قلبي.
يلا.
What?
Okay, so as I told you guys, we are going to learn about division, and we are going to learn that actually division, it's the repetitive of subtraction. So I just want you to know something before I start. You know that, what's multiplication? What's multiplication? Who can tell me what's multiplication?
Me.
What's multiplication? Just say it, Amir.
Multiplication is when you multiply
You just like add a number of the number that is written.
Exactly. So actually the multiplication, it's the repetitive of subtraction. So instead of having 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, how can I replace this statement? This is an addition, right?
Yes.
How can I replace this statement just by one operation?
2
times 6.
2 times 6, exactly. So instead of adding the 2 6 times, I just replace it by 2 times 6. So you have to know that actually the multiplication, it's the repetition of addition. So instead of having a lot of addition, I just replace it by multiplication. Do you agree?
Yes.
Yes.
So for another example, instead of having 9 times 9, 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. Okay, instead of having all of these steps, I just replace it by 9 times
5.
5. I count how many 9 do I have? 5. So it's 9 times 5, which is 45.
45.
So instead of having 9 plus 9, 18, plus 9, 27, plus 9, 36, and so on, I just replace it by multiplication. Do you agree?
Yes.
Okay, so now you're going to learn that also the division, it's the repetitive of subtraction. So instead of subtracting several times, I just divide. Is it clear? Do I start?
Yes.
Okay, so now we are going to learn. Today's focus is to understand the division as grouping or repeated subtraction. So what's the meaning of repeating subtraction? Suppose you have 10. Okay, subtract 2. Suppose you have 10, subtract 2. What do I get? If I subtract 8, subtract means minus. Okay? If I subtract 2, what do I get? Guys, are you listening to me?
Yes.
Okay, I have 10. I have 10, okay? And I'm subtracting 2. What do I get?
8.
I subtracted another 2.
6.
I subtracted another 2.
4.
Another 2.
2.
Another 2.
0.
So actually, I'm repeating the same subtraction several times.
We have to repeat from bigger to
2.
small or to get 0.
Exactly. That's what's known as division. So division, it's actually repeating the subtraction several times. Instead of repeating this subtraction several times, I'm just going to divide until I get a remainder, which is
0.
0. Very good. Until I reach a remainder, which is 0.
0.
So in this way, I can write it as division. So look at this. Suppose I have 25 balls. How many balls do I have?
25.
Every time I'm taking 5 balls from the jar. Okay? So how many balls I'm taking? 5.
5.
Great. Look at this diagram.
20.
Look at this diagram. So the first time I have 25 balls. I took 5 balls. How many balls are remain?
20.
Another 5.
15.
Another 5.
10.
Another 5.
5.
Another 5.
0.
So this is, I got a remainder of
0.
0 at the end. At the end, I had no balls left. That means 25, I can divide it by 5. Okay? So every time you get a remainder of 0, it means I
there's
can
also
divide it by
complete
5.
subtraction is like jumping back from the bigger
bigger-
number until you get a zero or a small number.
That's the definition, okay? So the definition says that repeated subtraction is like jumping back from the bigger number until you get a 0 or a small number. Yes, who's talking?
Miss,
Yes.
Yara.
you know, I know divided. I'm kinda done with times table.
Just repeat. I didn't hear.
I am done. I am done with time. I'm done with times table.
Very good, guys. So as I
I'm
told
in
you before, you
divided.
have to revise the multiplication table. I know that some of you know them very quick. I just advise the others to do the same. Okay? So let us continue. So how many times? Who can tell me how many times did I subtract 5?
5
5
times.
times. 5 times. Very good. So as if I'm saying 25 divided by 5.
25 divided by 5, it's 5.
5. So 5 times.
It's 25.
So at 25, I'm taking every time 5 balls from the 25. So as if I'm subtracting 5 times.
We get 20.
Yes. Okay, so look at this. 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5.
5.
5 is the number of times
You can subtract 3 from
3 from 15 before you get 0. So I have 15. بس في حدا كتير عم يتحرك وعم يعمل صوت. بدي الكل رواق. ما حدا يتحرك.
بس بقى ننفخ بالمايك.
Yeah, Ali, رواق, please. Yeah. So I have 15. Okay, can you see the 15 on the number line?
Yes.
So when I say 15 divided by 3, as if I'm subtracting 3 every time. So 15 minus 3.
15 minus 12.
Yeah, we have to
5. I have to
numbers.
subtract 3, exactly, until I reach the 0. So how many times did I subtract?
3 times.
How many times did I subtract?
5 times.
5 times. Look at them. Guys, look at them. The first time I subtracted minus 3. Okay, what did I get?
12.
Then minus 3.
9.
Minus 3.
6.
Minus 3.
3.
Then minus 3.
0.
So how many times I jumped?
5
5 times. So 15 divided by 3 equal 5 times. Okay, I'm going to continue for more examples until you know what you are going to do. Okay? Let us continue. So, yes.
I can't hear you so much.
Balki, you have to raise your voice on your phone, or I don't know what you are using.
Okay.
Because I can hear myself shouting. Okay, yeah. So these are a lot of examples. So the first one, 12 divided by 3. That means I have to subtract. What do I need to subtract?
4.
Guys, listen. When I say 12 divided by 3, I need to subtract. I'm not asking you about the answer. 3. So I'm going to subtract 3 from the 12. Yeah, let us see. 12 minus 3.
9.
9 minus 3.
6.
6 minus 3.
3.
3 minus 3.
0.
How many times I jumped? 4. So the answer
4
is
times.
4.
4.
Okay? Yeah, let us see the second one. When I say 16 divided by 8, that means I have to subtract 8. مين اللي عم يعطيني الجواب؟ I don't need the answer, guys. Listen, you have to follow the steps. I need to subtract 8 from 16. Yeah. 16 minus 8, 8. Now 8 minus 8, 0. So how many times did I jump?
2 times.
2 times. So the answer is 2. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. 9 divided by 3. That means I have to subtract
3.
from 9. Okay. 9 minus 3.
6.
6. 6 minus 3.
3.
3 minus 3.
0.
So how many times did I jump?
3.
3 times. Okay? Is it clear now?
Yes.
Yeah. 10 divided by 5. What do I need to subtract? 10. Very good. So 9 minus 5. Sorry, 10 minus 5. 5 minus 5.
0.
How many times did I jump?
2 times.
Times. Is it clear, guys?
Yes.
Great. Let us continue. Yeah. So now, as you can see, how can I tell this in real life? Suppose you have 12 marbles. Okay, how many marbles do you have?
12.
You need to divide them among you and your friend. So you and your friend, you are 2. And you need to divide,
بس عم بيحكوا.
guys. Yeah, let us continue. So I have 12 marbles. Okay? And you need to divide them among you and your friend. So how many marbles would you get each? 6 marbles, of course. Yes.
Yeah. 6.
Miss, can you mute them all? We can't hear you.
What?
I can't hear you. There's so much talking.
ما في talking يا مس. ما أنا ماني سامعة حدا عم يحكي يعني. ما في noise. بس في حدا حده تلفزيون.
مش حدا مدور تلفزيون.
ايه في حدا حده تلفزيون. بليز طفيه. I think
بس أنا حتى في الشمس مطفى.
أو يعمل ميوت.
I think طفوا التلفزيون. عم تسمعوني أحسن هلا؟ Yeah, like great. So, is the marbles clear? This is one example. This is one example of where we can use the division. Okay? Yeah.
Okay.
So starting from now on, how we are going to solve when I ask you to do 20 divided by 4. You start subtracting 20 minus 4 minus 4 until you reach the 0 and you tell me how many. يا مس مين اللي عم يحكي؟ علي إذا أنت please stay quiet. So what you are going to do, as you can see, 20 minus 4.
20 minus 4.
Yalla, I need answers.
16.
Now 16 minus 4.
Minus 4, 12.
Very good. 12 minus 4.
12 minus 4 equal 8.
8 minus 4.
8 minus 4, 4.
And 4 minus 4.
0.
0. So how many times we subtracted? Count the number of 4s. 1,
4 times.
2,
2, 3,
3,
4,
5.
5.
So it's 5.
Five.
So you write for me 20 divided by 4 is 5. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah, let us look at the second subtraction. Of course, you can do them as straight line or you can do them like this. It's up to you. Yeah, 75 divided by 25. مش نطلع انه big numbers. I can't do this. It's very easy as long as it's subtraction. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah. So 75 divided by, minus 25, you just do them like this. 5 minus 5, 0. And 7 minus 2, it's 5. Do you still remember how do we subtract?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, so now I got 50 and I'm going to subtract 25 one more time. Now 0 minus 5, I can't do this, so I'm going to borrow. So this becomes 4 and this is 10. Now 10 minus 5, it's 5, and 4 minus 2, it's 2. So I got 25. Okay? And now I'm going to subtract one more time 25. What's 25 minus 25?
25 times 25. 0.
0. So how many times I subtracted?
2, 3.
Count them. How many times I subtract them? This is the first time. This is the second
The second time.
and this is the third time. So 3 times I subtracted. So 75 divided by 25 equals 3. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Yeah, let us go for the third example. 84 divided by 21. For the first time, you see it's a big number. I can't do this, but it's using the subtraction, you can do it very easily, right? Yeah.
But we can count the minuses that we're having and we can get the answer from it.
Exactly. That's why it's using the subtraction is very easy. Yalla, help me. 84 minus 21, it's 63. So this is the first subtraction. Yalla, so 63, I'm going to subtract it one more time. Minus 21.
42.
Very good, it's 42. So I subtract 21 one more time. What do I get?
21.
Yes, 21. Minus 21 is?
0.
Excellent. So how many times did I subtract?
4 times.
84 divided by 21 equals 4. Very good. Guys, is this clear?
Yes.
Do you have your do you have a paper and your pencil case in front of you?
Yes.
Yes.
If you pretend yourself in a class, then you should have a paper and a pencil in front of you, right?
Yes.
Yalla, get prepared. I'm going to give you examples and you have to do it beside you. I'm going to give you only 1 minute to prepare yourself. Bring paper and a pencil quickly.
Yeah. Done.
Yalla, you have to bring a paper and a pencil quickly. All of you, I need to see all your answers. Yes.
Divided or multiplication?
درسنا عن درسنا علي عن درسنا اللي تعلمناه هلا.
Yes.
Let's be right.
Yalla, those who prepare themselves, you can start, okay? I want you to do this.
روح يلا بدي اكتب.
Yeah, Iltaf, please quiet. Yalla, ya miss. 60 divided by
7.
yeah
يتفق لك فيه
اللي
إلا قسمتين.
شو
division إلا قسمتين.
شو إلها اسم
divisible.
divisible is
I
when
know
I
the
check.
answer.
Divisible
I
is
know
when
the
I check, but the operation it's called division. Yeah.
I checked.
Yalla guys, you need all to practice. I want to see you all.
Miss, should we do this line?
مس هلا اعملوا لي 60 divided by 5. كيف بتهتموا بالتفاصيل انتوا؟ يلا.
Okay.
يلا I need you to see you all. اللي مش فاتح كاميرا please you have to. Okay?
بس خلص بفتحها مش ضروري.
لا هلا يلا بدي اشوفكم كلكم.
Miss هيدي minus ولا divided؟
divided. انتوا بدكم تعملوا minus. يعني انتوا هلا you start 60 minus 5. Okay, until you reach the 0.
شكلك مشتاق للمس.
خلصت يا كريم كردي؟ خلصت؟ يلا I want to see you all working.
I did it.
Miss, I wrote 60 divided by 5 or 60 minus 5. You wrote it.
يلا continue 60 minus 5. What's 60 minus 5?
55.
55. Minus 5.
50.
50.
Minus 5.
45.
45.
Minus
40.
5.
40.
Minus 5.
Miss, I know
45.
I know the answer.
35.
يلا هلا مش عم نعمل example تاني. يلا continue. يلا continue. يلا minus 5.
Miss, on what we are? 30?
35.
25.
يلا this is 60 minus 5. This is 55.
12.
Minus 5, 50. Minus 5, 45. Minus 5, it's 40. Minus 5, it's 35.
35.
Minus 5, it's 30. Yeah, let us continue. Minus
25.
5, 25.
25.
Minus 5,
20.
minus 5,
minus 5 is 10.
15.
Minus 5 minus 5 is 7.
minus 5,
15. 10.
10. Minus 5,
5.
and minus 5.
0.
0.
Count, how many 5s do I have?
12.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Equals,
6,
yes, I heard you.
Well,
It's 12. Very good.
11.
Yalla, the last example. Please do it. Yalla. I'm going to do it much easier. Yeah. 30 divided
30
by 6.
divided. I knew it was 12.
Yalla, guys. 30 divided by 6.
I already got the answer. Miss, I already got the answer. Thank you.
Yalla.
Yes, it's so easy.
Miss, 1. It will be 1.
يا علي ركز شوي حبيبي. علي ركز. يلا. 30 divided by 6. You start. 30
30 minus
minus 6. يلا.
5.
13 minus 6.
Yeah, say it.
24.
I know the
بس
answer.
في حدا كأنه مسمي حاله مارو، بس يقول لي مين عشان بدي اخذ attendance. مين مارو؟ ماري؟
نعم.
اوكي حبيبي يلا.
24.
Are you done or not yet؟
ما صعد.
شو علي حمود عم تعملون؟
Yes, miss.
يلا ساعدني يا علي. 30 minus
30 minus 6.
30.
أنا قلت علي حمود 24
Minus 6 is
24.
24 ما هيك؟
24.
minus 6
18.
18.
minus 6
Auntie 12.
12 minus 6
6.
minus 6.
0.
0.
How many 6 are there?
6.
Count them.
5.
5. Very good. So that was our lesson, guys. How did you find it?
Easy.
Very easy. Very good.
Great, guys.
And
Miss,
I think I have
Agnes?
less than 1 minute. So next online session, we are going to practice more about repetition of subtraction, okay?
Okay.
Get prepared, always prepare. Always prepare a pencil and
Miss?
yeah, miss, listen to me just a second. Always prepare scratch paper and your pencil case, okay?
yes. Miss,
Ada what, حبيبي?
can I show you something?
Yes.
Wait. Look how small this